Thank you so much for tuning in. If you would like to know how I did this 90s grunge look, please keep watching this video. But first, please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and get into how I did this 90s grunge look. So let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and do a little foundation. Got my foundation brush, and also I've got the Joa BB cream, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already prepped the skin, I've moisturized, done all that good stuff. So now let's go ahead and see what we can do with this foundation. Okay, you guys, next it's all about the eyes. So take a very, black or even like a dark brown eyeshadow, and just start, spreading it all over your lid, blending a lot. So let's blend. Okay, you guys, that's great. Now go ahead and take your eyeliner, a gel eyeliner, and go ahead and then start putting that on. Go ahead and put it from here all the way around there and then blend out. Because in the 90s, we definitely wore a lot of gel smoky eyeliner or pencil eyeliner, and then really just smudged it out. Okay, you guys, when you think you have smudged enough, just keep smudging. And then after you do that, okay, next what I want you to do is actually put your eyeliner on the bottom, but just from here to here, and then we're going to do it on the waterline as well. Okay, great, looking a little more grungy. Now go ahead and put that eyeliner on your waterline. Okay, great, you're doing great, just blend it. And then what we're gonna do next is actually, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. So let's just fill them in. Now in the 90s, it was very, very popular to have like thinner, smaller brows. So we're not going to make them too big or wispy or anything like that, just fill them in a little bit just to make them a little darker. Okay, you're doing great. Next, what I want you to do is go ahead and take a little bit more foundation and then just, kind of just clean up any of the smears underneath your eye. You can use concealer too. I'm just using the foundation because I really like that foundation that I have. Next, we need some blush, but actually we're just gonna do bronzer. That's all we're gonna do. Just take a bronzer and just put that right here on your cheeks. Don't put it on the apples of your cheeks though. Just right here on the sides. A little on your nose. I'll take a red lipstick, any red lipstick, dark, bright red, whatever. It's better if you have a dark red. But anyway, go ahead and take that. And I want you just to smudge it underneath your eyes right here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I want you to blend it out. Okay, great. This looks great. I added just a little bit more of the lipstick underneath the eyes. Okay, great. This looks great. Okay, next we need some mascara. Definitely don't be afraid to really just put a lot of mascara on. Make it messy. Put just a little bit on the bottom lashes as well. Next, what we need is some red lipstick right on our lips. So what do you guys think? Very 90s, very grunge.